By the time you finish this video, you'll be able to answer 5 questions about the SAG-AFTRA strike while I make one of these awesome friendship bracelets for the picket lines. Let's go. Now that we got our tools ready, let's jump into the first question. What is SAG-AFTRA? SAG-AFTRA is the Screen Actors Guild and American Federation of Television and Radio Artists. You see them, you hear them on all media distribution platforms. Question number 2, who is on strike? SAG-AFTRA represents approximately 160,000 actors, announcers, broadcast journalists, voiceover artists, and other media professionals. Question number 3, what is struck work? Struck work is any TV or theatrical project that has already been released, currently releasing, and has yet to be released. That can be from any major studio, such as Disney, Paramount, Sony, any principal broadcast TV companies such as ABC, CBS, NBC, and then in addition to every single streaming service that we all know about. Question number 4, what can you do? You can attend a strike, spread the word amongst your community or your loved ones, and have a conversation about it. You can also look at SAGAFTRA.com. They have plenty of FAQs and plenty of reading for you to do so that you can be informed yourself. Reach out to any of your entertainment friends that you may know, because right now they are struggling. Question 5. I know you're asking yourself, why should we care? Without these people who are physically walking the picket lines every single day, who are being treated entirely unfairly, without them, we wouldn't have the comfort movies that we turn to when we need security. We wouldn't be able to have the TV shows that we love so much. And there you have it. In the time that it took me to make this friendship bracelet for the picket lines, you learned 5 things about SAG-AFTRA that you didn't know already.